What is up, you guys? It's Skutski back with a new video. So today it's going to be a little bit different. Like always, it's a little bit different. But we're going to be stuck with this golf cart right here. So what we ended up doing, let me put this up. But what we ended up finding out was that the splines on the input shaft of the differential on this, the one that actually hooks up to the motor, and the coupler on the motor are just shot. So it's just spinning. I took the motor off, inspected it. That's the issue. So what we're going to do is lift the cart up completely, brace it up safely, because that's number one, safety. I got my jack stands, and then we're going to drop the axle completely and move it out, because I'm going to, once I like pull it all out, look at it, I'm going to see what's actually going on with inside of it, because just in case if there's something else, I'm going to order parts tonight. I got to pull the electric motor completely out also, so it's in there still, but it's all wired up. So I'm going to take the wires off. We should be ready to rock and roll once it drops out. I'm pretty sure it's just 4 bolts on each side, on each leaf, and then probably also brake lines and shocks. So let's do it. Let's lift this sucker up. I had a leaf blower out here. All right. Now we got a clean spot, so let's put this, I think I'm gonna put it underneath over here. So I'm gonna jack it up right here on the battery tray underneath here. Okay, so let's see, what do we need? We'll take the brake lines off first. So let me go get you guys. Alrighty. We're gonna work on this side first. Let's get you guys kind of out of the way. Alright, well, I don't know what happened, but it stopped playing for you guys. So what we're gonna do, all I did was take the bracket for the brakes off over on that side, and we don't have a brake line on this side, so looks like I gotta order one. We took this completely off. The next step is to take this shackle off, and then we're gonna drop it, go over there, take that one off over there, and drop it. So let's see what size these are. Yeah. That was also a 9/16. So, all right. What we should do is just put this back in there, just to hold it. Just put a little turn, a few turns on it. Okay. Bam. Okay, we're just gonna put this stuff back together, just so we know where it all goes. All right. Stick this back in there so we do not lose it. All right, now we're gonna get the back side over here. This back shackle right there. So let me see here. Good old neutral drop. So with that being said, I think what what we're going to do here is lower. I have one. I'm gonna lower the golf cart right now and then drop the axle completely out. Okay, probably clean that. Yeah, that's all rounded out too. All right, I'm gonna remove the battery post now. So let's lift, no, not lift, lower the cart a little bit. So we're gonna take this one off. All right, and then this one off. Uh-oh. That means it's seized. I'm pretty sure now. Hell to the yeah. So this should probably pop out. Okay. Like so. And there is a rear end for an EZGO. So, look at that. Just tore up from the floor up. Not a whole lot of play either. It's pretty good. One pill wheel, huh? Look at that. So, alright, so I will be buying an input shaft for this on eBay, or not eBay, but Amazon tonight. And a coupler for the motor out. I'll pull the motor out. So, alright guys, thank you for watching Scootski. Probably the next video will be me putting the parts into this thing, so stick around. Actually, I might be driving my other golf cart around, so stick around guys. Appreciate it very much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more things like this. Thank you very much. Bye.